So Craig, tell me, when it comes to software design, how can a psychologist possibly help?
Look, it's a great question, and it's the case that not all psychologists have the couch where you've got to lie down and chat about stuff. I'm actually an organizational psychologist, and that means I know about things like how do you design an organization, how do you design the work that people do, how do you manage people, how do you performance assess them, how do you train and support their performance, how does the culture play an impact in the way that things are, why people do what they do.
Makes a lot of sense. So everything you've mentioned is people-centric. Are there any other human factors that one should consider?
Yeah, absolutely. So what I've described really is sort of the bigger picture of people and work. And then there's the more specific issue, the more perhaps important issue, is what are people like themselves? So psychologists, any psychologist will know about four main things about people. And that is perception, cognition, feeling and behaviour. They're the four main things that we talk about with people. First two are most important in our context of software design. Perception is about the way that we perceive the world, the way we look at things, take in the information, touch, or some other senses that we might be using. The second part, cognition, is then how do we process that information? How do we make sense of what we've just seen, make decisions about that, problem solve about that, act on that information? So in the first instance, people and work, big picture. In the second instance, what do you like as a person? And what do I need to take into account to design software for people?
Perfect. Makes a lot of sense. Thanks, Craig. Really look forward to drilling into this in more detail
Yeah,
on
me
future
too.
interviews.
Fantastic. Look forward to it.
Thanks.